What's poppin', people, and welcome to the Crypto Corner. I'm Robert. And before we get into the video, let me encourage you, beg you, and bribe you if I have to smash that notification bell and subscribe. Now, on to the video. What's poppin', people, and welcome back to the Crypto Corner. I am your host, Robert, and I wanted to come back to you with an article which is talking about the blockchain startups raised a record of $4.4 billion in the second quarter despite the slump in crypto prices. But before we get into that, a little word from our sponsor, which is the like button. So if you hate it when people burp out loud and think it's funny, hit the like button. If you think shipping and handling should always be free, smash the like button. And if you hate the sound of styrofoam rubbing against styrofoam, hit the like button. Now, not hitting the like button could result in side effects. Some could include untied shoelaces, a hard time reaching an itch on your back, and your car overheating. Now, with that, we're going to go ahead and get into our article here. Just going to hit some of the highlights here. And it's really talking about blockchain startups. They raised a record of $4.38 billion in the second quarter, according to the data from analytics firm CB Insights. And it highlights how investors are finding alternative ways to gain exposure to the nascent crypto market. And funding for fintech companies as a whole also hit a new record with an eye-watering $30.8 billion flowing into the sector. I'm telling you, this financial technology, this is incredible. This space is just exploding right now, even though it's still nascent, but it's exploding. I mean, a lot of companies, a lot of investors are investing in this particular space. Let's look over here. It says blockchain is the underlying technology behind most cryptocurrencies. It's essentially, I should say, a digital ledger of virtual currency transactions, which is distributed across a global network of computers. That is correct. The largest financing round for a blockchain company in the second quarter was a $440 million investment in Circle, a payment and digital currency firm. Circle recently announced plans to go public through a $4.5 billion merger with a blank check company. This is phenomenal. Ledger, which develops hardware wallets for people to store their digital currencies, attracted the second biggest round in the quarter, raising $380 million. In a December interview, Ledger CEO Pascal told CNBC the crypto market was maturing with major institutional players getting involved. That is so true, people. Major players are getting involved. It says here, venture investors appear unfazed by declining cryptocurrency prices. Bitcoin has more than half its value, has lost actually really that half its value, hitting an all-time high of nearly $65,000 in April when U.S. crypto exchange Coinbase went public. Okay, so Bitcoin has went down to like half, right? If we look at where Bitcoin is right now, so you have a lot of fear in the market, you have a lot of uncertainty and doubt, you have a lot of that going on. But let me ask you, do you really think that this market is going somewhere? Do you really think this industry, this sector, this crypto space, do you think it's going anywhere soon? Oh, hell no. Do you think some of these big time investors, do you think they will be investing hundreds of millions of dollars to the tune of going into the billions, hundreds of millions of dollars or $1 billion in total if they thought it was going away? Oh, hell no. So you have to really think about that. Look at where people putting their money. The money talks. You follow the money. You follow the money. You have to understand that, hey, if they are buying, if the whales are buying, these big institutional investors, these big private investors, if they are buying it, they know something. They believe in. When they believe in something, they put money behind it. So you think I'm going to be selling my crypto? Oh, hell no. Not going to happen. Cannot, will not. It's just not going to happen, people. We have to look at what's going on in the market. We look at our charts and we get freaked out and we're nervous and we're sweating bullets, thinking that the sky is falling and panicking and basically succumbing to the FUD. But if we just calm down and look at it, if you really think that, hey, it's going to recover, we're going to go the other way, this is just a correction, we have to capitulate a little bit, but in the long run, when we think long, will it go back to all-time highs? In my opinion, I think it will. Okay. I do not believe crypto's going anywhere anytime soon. There's too much money coming into this space. With that, this is not investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor. You do your own due diligence. This is only cryptocurrency commentary. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Now let go my crypto.